Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. The first thing you want to do is launch Steam. Come to the top left, click on the Steam icon, and then click on Settings. Now I want you to scroll down here the left hand panel, click on Endgame, and make sure this is toggled off. Enable Steam Overlay while in game. Toggle this one off, and then you can exit to save your settings. Also do this on a Discord and NVIDIA. Basically disable all the overlays. Next, I want you to come at the bottom left and right click on your start icon. Okay. And then I want you to come here and click on a device manager. And what we're going to be doing, guys, we are going to be rolling back our graphics card drivers. This is actually fix the issue of most people. So we come here and then you need to find your GPU. So come here, click on this down arrow. Okay, for display adapters, right click on your graphics card, click on properties, and then what you need to do is come here, click on drivers, and if you've done an update recently, come here and click on roll back driver. Okay, it will basically roll everything back to the previously installed driver, and this usually fixes the issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.